Guys, welcome back. So in this video, without wasting your time here, we just have to show you how to get a clients from USA, and if you want other countries, you can search on this regional sites. So you can contact these people who are also offering marketing opportunities, business opportunities, and individuals who are also earning to get leads and sign-ups and money from their platforms. So when you come over to this platform, make sure you also subscribe to this channel so that you earn more money, and also be updated on how to generate some passive income. So with that being said, so when you come over, you register with the link in the description of this video. When you come over, you will notice that these people here also have an USA, right? What you're going to do next, let me put back the zoom. So what you're going to do next, you're going to contact these people right now, and there is an automatic message also available for you to do that, right? You're going to contact these people, whichever person that you prefer to contact, right? You contact them, and let's click on this first one, contact member, and also we allow it to open. Now that this platform has given us the profile and the location of this person, so when you scroll, you will see that this person is interested. This person is also interested in also part of what you are looking for: discount affiliate programs, how to ship smart and big, teach you how to do this, as much more. So you can also contact this person, and if you look here below, you will see that they also have a message for you here already. You can use this message also, or you can edit this message when you just tap inside the box. You can edit this message and write anything that is preferable for you. So when you are done with that, you're going to click on send. You click on send, and this person over here now, Amanda Masanji, will receive your message. Now, before you're able to send this message, you'll be given a few credits coin, right? So you join with the link in the description of this video. Let's go back now, and I will show you that this credit coin is also used to contact unlimited people, right? You are also going to advertise your products in this platform for free by adding your own business opportunities, right? Your own business announcements. So when you look over here, you will see that I have 21 credits, of which contacting each person is almost 5 credits, right? So you can buy more credits from this platform if you want. You click on buy, so that you'll be able to accumulate more referrals and leads to your affiliate marketing. So when you want to advertise on this platform, you click on business announcements. You click on business announcements. So when you go over to business announcements, you'll be able to see that they will give you a space for you to put up your own products. So I've been using this platform since 2020, right? And I've been able to accumulate money from this platform. If you see here that mine is already published, and it only takes seconds to publish yours. So when you want to add, you have to click on this, right? You click on new business announcements. So you tap on there. If you are also new to this platform, I welcome you. We're going to show you how to make more money online and how to get referrals and cash out a lot of money, right? Subscribe to this channel to be tuned and be updated. So when you read, you will see every information that you needed here to know. Every information is given to you in this box. So you have to put an article that is over 400 words. You can use ChatGPT to do that. Okay, you go to ChatGPT, you accumulate articles that you publish in this platform, and this is where you are going to put it, right? You're going to put your article in this place. Okay, so when you put it in this box below, make sure that you add your affiliate link. Okay, so when people go through your program, and you also put the title, right? So when people go to your program, they'll be able to click on your link and purchase your products. Like I said, there are millions and millions of people who are coming to this platform to get business opportunities. So don't be left aside. So when you are done writing, you're going to click on preview article, and your article will be published in this platform. All right. So if you also want to earn on the other side, when you look over here, you will notice that this member just joined today. So for the early bird, make sure that you contact these people immediately. Even when you refresh this web page, you will see another person who is just joining. This person is from Morocco. So I told you, you can earn money getting real clients and real people, right? So make sure you follow these steps and contact these persons, all right, so that you'll be able to be the first person to introduce your business to them, and they will also buy from your products. Okay, also you can ask them to follow you up, which means you can see it here as connections. When they follow you up, you'll be able to see your connections, and you can also be able to check your messages. You can also be able to check your leads, and you can go back to your dashboard. Okay, so if you want to make extra money from this platform, all right, you can decide to do advertisement, or you can decide to do the referral programs. Okay, and for your basic knowledge, you can go for training courses if you wish to, right? So guys, I believe I have consumed much little of your time to show you how to make money from this platform. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment down below and tell me what you want me to do next, how much more you want me to review this platform for you guys, and what you do not understand. I am also ready to reply you and give you your urgent feedback, and I will see you guys in my next video.